Welcome back. In this video, we'll explore 4 simple methods to rank student scores in Excel. Whether you're a teacher, student, or just curious about Excel, join us to learn efficient techniques. From built-in functions to basic formulas, we'll guide you through each step. Let's dive in and enhance your Excel skills together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Excel tutorials. Let's excel together.
Method number 1, using the rank function. With this method, you can easily rank students' scores relative to each other. Let's see how it's done. First, organize your data in a table format with student names in one column and their corresponding scores in another. Next, use the rank function to rank each student's score against the entire range of scores. Type the formula. Type equal to type rank bracket open select score type comma select scores range press F4 type comma type 0 for order bracket close press enter key and there you have it. Each student now has their rank based on their scores. Method number 2, using the large function to find the nth largest value. Let's explore this method. Similar to before, organize your data in a table format. Now, use the large function to find the nth largest score. You can change the number to find different rankings. Type the formula. Type equal to type large bracket open select scores range type comma type 1 for first rank bracket close press enter key. Fantastic! Now you know how to find the nth largest score using the large function. Method number 3, using VLOOKUP with the sort function. This method involves sorting the data first and then using VLOOKUP to find the rank of a student. Start by sorting the data based on scores. Select the entire table, including headers. Go to the Data tab. On the Excel ribbon, click on the Sort button and sort the data by the scores, in largest to smallest order. Your table will be sorted based on the scores. Now, use VLOOKUP to find the rank of each student's score in the sorted list. Type the formula. Type equal to type VLOOKUP bracket open select score type comma select scores range press F4 type comma type 1 type comma type false bracket close press enter key for result. Voila! You successfully used VLOOKUP with the sort function to rank students' scores. Method number 4, using some product and the operator to count how many scores are greater than a student's score. Let's see how it works. Again, organize your data in a table format. Now, use the sum product function to count how many scores are greater than each student's score. Type the formula. Type equal to type sum product bracket open type dash bracket open select score press less than sign select range scores with header press F4 bracket close press enter key for result. Brilliant! You now have a count of higher scores for each student.